Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I feel bad saying that. It's really been a long time. This video, I wanted to think about different series I wanted to bring to my channel, and one of them was like revamping some old wigs. This wig I had, and I wanted to replace my closure. So knowing that, I was like, okay, then I'll be okay with cutting the closure part. The area, this is a closure wig. It is not a frontal, so I was okay with cutting this because I know I can replace the closure portion of the wig. So in this video, you'll see me cutting a wig and styling a wig and just trying to get to this point. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, as I stated or showed you guys earlier in the video, my hair broke off really bad from a perm. Let me back y'all up some. And so I've been working on growing my hair back, and part of that I've been trimming my ends a lot, but I know that my hair got to be one length ultimately. And there's some pieces, as you can see, that are longer than the rest. And today we are going to cut them all one length. So let's get started. One thing I don't like that my hair right now is going through is that it's so soft, and it can't hold, and I gotta use the braid. And I don't want to add weave to my hair because I'm trying to wash my hair once a week, every Wednesday, so I don't want to be putting so much deep thought into my braids to take them out in a week. My nails look good, don't they, y'all? So that's that. And before we install the wig, I'm going to go ahead and do my face, so that way once I do my hair, we can get like an official full look to see if we really feeling this or not. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna do my makeup off screen and we'll come back so that we can figure out how to style this wig. Okay, so y'all, I hot combed this down.
Hello.
Watch your step, mama.
You listen.
Yeah. Okay. See, told you. Okay, so I don't even got it curled out. I gotta figure it out because I'm not really used to bangs, so we're gonna figure it out. But this is the part I think I'm good with, being a bang. So we're gonna just, I got it on like the highest setting. So we are gonna just keep combing it to flatten it out. Okay. I'm very scared. I don't want to burn my face. I've seen different cutting techniques where people go like this and they cut it. So I'm gonna start long and go up because we can't grow hair back. So I know I don't want it that long, but I just gotta, I'm gonna keep working up. Okay. Let me get some clips because I need to section away the hair. I hope y'all can see me because I gotta have this mirror. See, this side is a little bit too long, but I know why. Cutting has never been good for me. I'm about to go up a little bit more. Okay. Oh, I felt something on my forehead. I'm getting scared now. Okay. I'm just gonna comb this out. Okay. Oof. Okay. Okay. It's getting something. Okay. Okay. Maybe want to put some wig back a little bit though. Oh, I'm tripping. It is pulling on my edges and I'm trying to grow them back. Let me get that right. Girl, pulling on my little edges that I got. Adjust. Abort. I did that line too. Okay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is do some straightening it. Now my straightener, because I'm in a different place, so I have like my hot comb and my curling iron here, so I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom and straighten my bang. I'll be right back. Okay. I like it how I look at it. I look at good. Okay, so I like it. I'm just gonna try like get my curls more defined because it's not doing it's not giving what it's supposed to give. So we're gonna work on that a little bit. We're gonna come back with a final review. I'm gonna give you my feeling about the new little bang, okay? Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks. I like it. I think it's cute. I'm gonna ask Jay what he thinks. I probably would like mess with this some more, but for the most part, it's cute. It's a look. Jay.
It's mommy.
You like my hair?
Text me now. So I can see.
Say yes.
Stop. What are you? What's on phone?
Yeah, because it's still hot.
I can put underwear. Daddy,
What?
Mario. It is.
You're not feeling my bangs?
Yeah, it's supposed to be a thing. You're supposed to see through it like that.
I mean, I don't know how thick it should. I don't know. I think it's like really like whatever you think it should be.
I think it should be thicker.
Well, I can't make it no thicker because I don't want to take no more hair from the bag. You don't like my bang?
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know?
I don't like it. I don't know if I dislike it.
Well, you heard it here, guys. He doesn't know if he loves it or loves it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was something different, you know, trying to figure out if I can still manage some of my old wigs, if I can still use it with a new style. So this wig right here, it was nothing wrong with this wig. I just know I needed a new closure, and so because of that, I was like, well, let me see how I like it with a bang, to see if possibly it could be still some use. And so I actually like it. I probably shouldn't have went this far out with the bang portion, but it's already done now, so Just got to get a little bit adjusted to it. But for the most part, I really do like this look. It's cute. It's different. It's something I definitely have to get used to. As y'all can see, something Justice has to get used to too. He was like not really sure if he liked it or loved it. He thought this was a little bit too thin here. But honestly, I think this part was like this because originally this was a middle part unit. So I kept hot combing it, but I don't know if it was just like permanently not there yet or stuck with being just thinned out from when I used to tweeze it and pluck it. So I think that's why it's a little thin in that area. But for the most part, I like it overall. It's cute. It's gonna give what it needs to give for the look. And so I am enjoying it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it too. And thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, stay true and stay you. And I will see you guys in the next video.
And thank you.